Rising from the heart of the Thar Desert like a golden mirage is the state of Rajasthan. Located at an altitude of 1414 feet above sea level, this magnificent land is home to some of the most ancient temples of India. One such temple is the Adrinath Temple, located at the verdant valley of the Aravalli Hills, situated at a distance of 60 miles from Udaipur. Dedicated to the first of the 24 saints of Jainism, the temple not only symbolizes an enduring faith but also exemplifies the architectural splendor of Indian craftsmanship. Legend has it that the temple owes its origin to a dream of Dharnasha, the founder of the temple, who dreamt of a celestial vehicle prominently described in the scriptures of the Jain community. The ruler of Mewar, inspired by his vision, donated large tract of land for the temple. Constructed under the guidance of the famous Indian architect of ancient India, Deepa, it took more than 50 years to create this architectural marvel.
A great, very beautiful, very different from Italian church. So for us, it's very beautiful to see, and the sculpture are very particular.
Almost 600 years old, the temple has 4 subsidiary shrines. Over 400 columns support 24 pillared halls and its domes. The most spectacular ones are the intricately carved 1444 pillars of the temple, of which no two are believed to be alike in design. Exquisitely detailed carving covers nearly every available surface.
दो वर्ग के लोग आते हैं, एक तो केवल जो भक्त और दर्शनार्थी आते हैं, यात्री, और एक जो है केवल मंदिर की कलाकृति देखने वाले आते हैं। जो विदेशी जो सैलानी जितने भी आते हैं वो सभी कलाकृति को लेकर के आते हैं। अपने हिंदुस्तान के जितने भी लोग आते हैं दर्शन करने के पश्चात कलाकृति देखते हैं।
Udaipur, one of the main cities of Rajasthan, is easily accessible. Daily flights connect Udaipur with Jodhpur, Jaipur, Aurangabad, Mumbai and Delhi through the Dabok Airport, 14 miles from the city centre. Udaipur is directly linked by rail with Delhi, Jaipur, Ajmer, Chittorgarh, Jodhpur and Ahmedabad. A wide network of bus services link Udaipur with several destinations. The best time to visit Udaipur is during the winter months from September to March. Accommodation is available between $10 to $200. Another important temple is the Karni Matre temple located at Deshnok, 20 miles from Bikaner, another prominent city of the state. Karni Mata is believed to be the incarnation of goddess Durga, who decreed that all members of her caste would be reincarnated as rats as the god of death Yama and was unable to restore to life a young male relative of her family. Thus, rats are inseparable with the belief and rituals of the temple, and they are revered in this temple. These rodents scamper freely within the sanctum sanctorium and are fed by priests and devotees with grain, sweet and milk.
सब अपने भावना से लेकर आते हैं, चला के माँ की अपने कृपा होती है, कोई अपने भक्तों की मांग पूरी होती है, जब आते हैं.
Getting to Bikaner is easy. The nearest airport is Jodhpur Airport, located at a distance of 149 miles from Bikaner. The Indian Railways connects Bikaner with cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Agra, Jaipur and Allahabad. Bikaner is well connected by road. The best time to visit Bikaner is during the winter months from November to February. Accommodation is available between $10 to $100. Rajasthan is one of the most colourful regions in India, exhibiting splendour and royalty in every walk of life. Richly endowed with invincible forts, magnificent palaces and majestic temples amidst waves of sand dunes and serene lakes, it represents a mosaic called India.